Come test drive the 2018 Rogue. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: roof rails, rear spoiler, front spoiler, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, remote engine start, ambient lighting, driver's side remote mirror, braking assist. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, rear view camera, audio, internet radio, Pandora, audio radio, touch screen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio, internet radio, iHeartRadio, premium sound system, steering wheel audio controls.